Hey, I'm here in the fuselage again, trying to make sure we've got no collisions or chafing and stuff like that. So let me turn this camera around. All right, so we're just trying to make sure. You can see that wire bundle's a problem. We can't have it dragging on the elevator and rotor cables, and so we're just making sure of what's what in here. We've got panels back in here. We got our Lexan panel here. Um, we've removed all this stuff in here so we can clean up, make sure we've got no chafing issues, and then we'll put all this back in and we'll be done. We still have tying to do up in here. We got to do some string ties to get all of this looking appropriate and anti-chafe. So I'll bring you back here in a bit. Okay, so I'm in here in the wheel well and just trying to take care of things. Put a cover on. Yeah, the flashlight under here isn't very good, but putting covers on. I've gone ahead and chased all the threads on this cover, and I'll get this installed and I'll be back with you.
Hi everyone, today we're going to install the pilot's side panel for the electrical, to cover up the electrical stuff in the side of the fuselage. Here's what the panel looks like. Got all its holes in it now. And we'll take it over to the airplane. And we'll install it on that side of the fuselage where all the heavy-duty wiring is for the buses for the airplane. So I'll crawl in here and we'll turn back on in a second. So now I've just completed the final fabrication of the plastic partition here that will cover up all of the electrical stuff here, and hopefully that won't be the final installation, but anyway, it's there and it fits. The other thing that we've done down in here is we've cleared the control lines for the elevator and the rudder and trim lines back in the back from all the harnessing in the electrical wiring here. So now we're about ready to put this panel in for good. After some more inspections by some other people, and then we'll go deep into here and start putting more parts into here.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get back to showing you those covers that I was putting in. We'll have that on the next episode. But Jan is now showing the completed areas that we can move on to as soon as we get sign off from Dave, so that we can get the cockpit more finished. It's looking really great.